Ooh, okay. Hello YouTube! Welcome back to my channel. Oh gosh. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided that I wanted to challenge myself and go to the thrift store and see if I can buy any of the things that are on my wish list currently. So I got this idea from EmilyFaith22 and Kitty Cotton. They both went onto their Pinterest/Instagram saved boards and just showed us kind of what they were looking for, especially when they go to the thrift store. So I wanted to do the same thing and challenge myself to kind of take a look at my closet, see what items I'm missing and see what items I could be adding into my wardrobe, and then style it and show it to you guys. So the first thing you'll notice on my Pinterest board, there are a lot of tans, creams, mustards, and rust colors. Obviously, those are like the quintessential fall colors, and those are the things that I'm trying to add to my closet. I'm just gonna scroll through really quick and see what I think I could find at the thrift store. So first, I think I'm looking for something like this where it's just like a nice cream color. That's kind of what I'm lacking in my closet. I have a lot of black and a lot of the rusty colors already. So if I were to find a cream color, maybe an off-white or an ivory, that would be really nice. I currently have one right now that is a cropped sweater, but it doesn't go with as many outfits. So I would really like just like a regular plain one that I could tuck into some pants. Let's see, more sweaters. I think you could totally find something like this at the thrift store. Some color blocking, some stripes. Okay, if I could find a nice plaid blazer jacket like this, that would be amazing. Something that is like oversized like this, but it doesn't like swallow me up really. So something that is kind of a happy medium between oversized, but also still looking polished with that plaid pattern. I don't care if it's brown or gray, something like that would be really, really nice to add into my closet. Okay, this hat right here, I saw it on Kitty Cotton's video and she had this on her Pinterest board as well. I only have like one black hat that I've had for years, so if I were to find something like this, I don't know if I will be able to find something like this, but who knows, maybe the thrift gods will bless us today and we'll find a really cool hat, but I'm not counting on it. Okay, now let's head on to my Instagram. This is my fall and winter inspo. What you'll notice is it's kind of the same color schemes as before, and you might recognize some of my favorite influences on here, like Samantha Maria, Whaley and Sophia, and Estee Lalonde. Like, those are my major style inspos for sure. So one of the first things on my board is actually this puffer jacket, and this is something that I can maybe find in like the little boy section. So Aritzia actually has this really popular puffer jacket as adorned by Bella Hadid here, and it is $250, and that is not something that I want to pay a lot for. So let's check the boy section and see if they have that available. Also digging the gray. I'm also maybe digging like that orangey color that's super popular right now too, but let's be honest, I'll probably only rock the gray. I'm also really loving like more luxurious looking, richer textured pieces for fall. So something with corduroy would be awesome. And I'm also in love with wide leg pants. Those are my jam. So if I could find something like this at the thrift store, that would be amazing. Fingers crossed. So I'm really loving this whole look, which is actually a skirt, or maybe it's a dress that is transitioning from summer into fall, but just having a nice oversized sweater over that and some casual kicks underneath. I think this looks so cute and casual. However, it is already pretty cold outside. I don't know if I'm in the market to buy a new skirt, but if I see one there, I will definitely pick it up. Gold jewelry, obviously a must for fall. Again, nice, beautiful hats, some plaid pants. I would like to have another like pair of plaid pants. I have one pair that are gray with some brown threading throughout, but this blue one on Claire right now looks so good. Ugh, love it. Oh, obviously I'm dying to have a long camel jacket, kind of like this. Doesn't have to be as unstructured and flowy as this one, but I do already have a camel colored jacket and it is pretty, it just kind of hits like where my hips are, and it doesn't give me that same elevated look that some of these long ones are giving me. So if I could find something like that, I would really, really appreciate the thrift gods if they could bless me with a jacket like this. But that is something that we're gonna have to see. But let's just go head to the thrift store and see what we can find. Okay, so I just parked, I just got home, and I am so happy I went when I went because I actually knew someone that was working there. She ended up being my cashier, and then she gave me 15% off. She basically gave me the senior discount. Saved $5, which is really awesome. And I can't wait to show you what I got. Okay, I just went through my receipt again, and I actually saved almost $7 with the senior discount that I received, so I'm super grateful and really happy that I got that. In total, I got 5 items, and I'm going to show you what I actually left with and what I'm planning to do with these pieces. So one of the first pieces that I picked up was this cream colored sweater. It is by the brand Coldwater Creek, made in China, and it's a petite small, I think that's what PS stands for. It was $5 and it fits me perfectly. It's just kind of this off-white knitted sweater. It's not overly cropped because I have one that is super cropped, but this hits me at the right spots. So this is going to be perfect for work or just everyday wear with a pair of jeans. I can't wait to style this. So the next item that I grabbed were the green pants, and I actually do like these a lot. I had no idea that you could actually return things to Goodwill. So if these don't end up working out, that's fine, but they are literally brand new with the tag, so I was really happy to see that. So it is a nice green color and it has gold threading throughout the whole thing. These buttons, I don't know if I like these or not, so we'll see. This was about, oh, this was $8. And it was a size 4, and it is in their style, Logan. Wait, so I just looked at the tag on here, and it says that it was $89, and I guess they kept getting marked down up until $8.99, but I bought these for $7.99, so did I really get a deal? I think I will try these on at home and see if I can style them, and if I like them enough, I will keep them. I think that these fit me perfectly and they hit at a great length, so I will see what I can do with that. Next item I got was another sweater, kind of that same creamy color. It has this nice, like, ribbed mock neck. And I don't really have anything like that, and I felt like kind of like grandpa vibes from this, so that's why I ended up picking it up. I thought it was a great fit, it's a great color. I think I'm gonna go out and buy myself one of those pill shavers so I can get rid of some of the pilling that's going on here, but other than that, it's in great shape. It is Land's End. It is a large 14 to 16 petite. I don't know if this is women's or men's or boys because I found this in the men's section. But I really, really like it, and I can't wait to style this with like an oversized jacket, maybe with some denim. I just can't wait to cozy up in this sweater. Next item that I got, I'm really, really, really like happy I found it. It was in the jacket section. It was $20, and it is this nice puffer. It's not super big. It's from the brand Mark New York, Andrew Mark. I have no idea who that is. It's a size medium. It is a puffer jacket, but it doesn't only have lines that go across horizontally. It has lines going down vertically, and I thought that added some interest. I'm gonna put this on right now. I mean, how stylish is this? And it was $20, actually less than $20 with my senior discount that I got. Happy to be participating in this trend, and I can't wait to style it and be a cool Instagram girl. So I like the bomber trend, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to dive deep into it. So I think this is a great way to get into the trend without actually spending a lot of money on a big puffer jacket. I'm so happy with this purchase. Okay, and then best for last, I found this in the men's blazer section, and it's actually a really, really nice, it's kind of like a tweed, plaid, black and white jacket. I think it like kind of matches the pants I already have. I think this has a great fit to it, and you could see in the clips that it fits me pretty well. The only thing is that these shoulder pads are probably a little bit too strong on me. I was hoping that the shoulder pads would be really easy to go in and snip off, but it is a little bit harder because this is actually a really nice jacket. So I'm going to figure out how to take these out. But maybe if I style it, it'll actually look okay. We will see. And the brand on this one is Cambridge Members. It is very well made though. Oh! Okay, so if you like go into the jacket right here, there is this flap. Put my hand into it, and I can actually feel the shoulder pads in here. So maybe I can do a, ooh, okay, here we go. Here's the shoulder pad actually. So I think I could just go in here and cut it off. Oh my god, yes. Okay, I'm happy about that. So I'm going to go ahead and style these and see how close I could get to my Pinterest/Instagram mood board for fall and winter. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.